So first of all, you've got to mark where you want the clips to go with a pen. I've just folded that back, and there's a mark there. There's a mark somewhere up here too. There, another one there, and another one there. Then you have to turn the pillowcase inside out. Just makes it easier to see where your marks are on the pillowcase. And they look big, but you won't actually see them. So this is the tooլ. So you've got an end there that has a gap in there, and another end that doesn't go through. It's just kind of like a concave. Concave end is which side the spiky bit goes on, and this bit is where your other bits go. So these are the pieces I'm using. So there's the green with the spikes, and these are the bits that the pokey out bit sticks into. Now you have a kind of rough looking side, a smooth, that's the rough side, and that's the smooth side. So that's the piece that is got to be where the pokey out bit goes into. Okay, so it's loaded and ready to go with the spike, the green spike there, and this is the other piece, and you can see that that's the smooth side. Now, because you want to see the coloured side, so that'll be on the outside of the material, you put the coloured side piece underneath. I don't know if you can see much here. Go to your dot. You're going to push it down onto your top dot, and just squeeze till it clicks. And can you see that? It is there and there, and do that for all the places that you want to do it. So now you'll see I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you will turn the pillowcase over. Whoops, watch the legs. And we're going to be doing these ones here. So we've got somewhere over here is a mark. I think it's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. So for this one we're going to be using these, which clip into the pieces you've already done. So they have a flat side and a bumpy side. The bumpy side goes into the hole of the tooլ, so into there. And we're just going to be using some plain silver grips, which go into the other side. So now your tooլ is loaded. We've got spiky side, we've got that flat edge up, and we're going to do the same as we did before. When we do this, you make sure that your spikes go underneath so that we can use the top. So yep, we just go over that until we find the blue dot. Make sure you've got only one piece of material. Place your top one over the dot and click it down, and it's done. So now we're just going to turn the pillowcase in the right way. I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to do it on a bed in a camper van, so don't have a lot of space. And where's the pillow? We'll just shove that pillow in there. I know you can't see this. Don't even look at my pillow. It's my pillow, I love it. Now I'm doing it the hard way, aren't I? Wait. Put your pillow in, cover over there, over your end like you'd normally do, and then just clip all four together. Well, or however many you want to do. You could do two, you could put them all the way along if you wanted to. And that's it.